Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Tuesday, October the 13th. Subdued holiday day, markets traded sideways essentially, but positive in the stock indexes. Even the S&P up 3.5 points at 2011, the high of the session and consolidated trading range 2014 and 2002. Dow futures added 45. Dow futures now back above 17,000. 17,040 was the close. And the Nasdaq led the way up a third of a percent yesterday, up 15.5 points at 43.75, pressing on that 4,400 level. Currencies were quiet. We had the dollar index down 12, 94.77, continuing to drift lower. The low of the session yesterday was 94.66. Euro currency pressing on 114. 113.88 was a close, up 11. Treasuries, the cash market was closed. The futures were moving a little bit, up 29, 157.26 there, pushing yields down. The move of the day was crude oil. Crude oil was above $50 a barrel, the high 50.15, not new highs, but higher than the $50 level, and then unwinding in a sell-off down about 5%. The close yesterday was 47.10, down $2.50, but solidly below that $50 barrier. And lastly, gold continuing to move higher. 11.69 was the session high yesterday. The close was 11.65, up $9. So after muted action yesterday, but positive, where do things stand here on this Tuesday morning? Well, we're giving back some of the gains and some more at 20.02 and a half, down 8.5 points right now in the E-mini S&P, a loss of about 1/3 of 1%. The Dow futures down 57, 16,983, and the Nasdaq giving back 23 at 43.52. Currencies going nowhere. The dollar down 4, the euro up 4, 113.92, like I said, pressing on 114. Treasury market up 5 ticks at 157.30. An update on yields because we've seen prices move higher, yields moving lower, 2.89 in the 30-year and 2.06 in that 10-year note. Crude oil, after the action yesterday, unchanged, well, up 3 cents at 47.07, so relatively unchanged. And gold down $11 at 11.54 after a nice surge that we've seen in the last 10 sessions. So to wrap up this current action, with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, a little lower in the stock index futures, down 8.5 in the S&P, down 57 in the Dow, and down 23 in the Nasdaq 100 futures, down about a third of a percent and more across the board to start things off. I will see you early Wednesday morning for the Morning Market Stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.